morning. Hope all of you are doing well. Let me also share my PPT with all of you. Right. Good evening. Good morning. So accustomed to doing sessions in the evening on Sundays. Lots of love, brother. Thank you so much. More people are joining the session right now. Thank you so much. Your day yesterday. What all was the learning that you got yesterday? How effective was it? I hope you loved it yesterday because I realized that it was mind blowing, right? It was absolutely amazing. Definitely. For sure. All right. So your biggest takeaway was that we should give and take back. Then you loved the online session the most. Awesome. What else? We have also sent a text message so that people who have not yet joined will also be able to become a part of the session right now. Good morning. Definitely, this program is worth more than 2000. Well, that is something that is always going to be there. Yes, it was the best day. So much of powerful learnings. Grateful. 27 letters of English. Cannot describe yesterday's webinar. Yesterday's webinar was awesome. While it was not easy to sleep, awesome. मजा आ गया जिंदगी बदल जाएगी अब अपन की I'm happy I learned a lot about public speaking and monetization strategy and email sequence. Good. So you were able to learn a lot more things. Yesterday you boomed the session. Good, good, good. I want to scale up my online classes. Enlightenment, best investment for Diwali and Dhanteras. It's worth more than 1 lakh rupees. I definitely agree with that. आप कभी तुलाज इंस्टीट्यूट देहरादून गए हो? No, मैं but event करने गया था तुलाज इंस्टीट्यूट. I told you no yesterday. 2 days recording 20th November. On 20th November, everybody would be getting the recordings. We will edit the recordings and we will give you the gifts and bonuses. जो भी चीजें आपको साथ में मिलने वाली वो सब कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा by 20th of November. I went to the Toastmasters Aurangabad group. Good. Loved yesterday. आपने तो जज्बात बदल दिए. I made my first reel yesterday and I got 1300 views. So this is what I love, right? You take an initiative and then you realize that almost instantly you start getting results and opportunities for yourself. So we can use email writing for copywriting as in approaching new clients. Of course, it's for everybody. It's for every domain. It's for every industry. It's for every niche. आप जिस भी इंडस्ट्री में हैं, आप जिस भी डोमेन में हैं, कॉपी राइटिंग इज अ मस्ट फॉर यू. एंड कॉपी राइटिंग के अलावा ईमेल राइटिंग आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में किसी भी निश में यूज कर सकते हो. Yes, Shreya, I saw it. After the session, I made 3 reels. Good. So you were implementing what all was being told to you, right? And that is what is so important. Yesterday, first time I got 1200 views on my reels. Nice. Yes, Shrey, we will do it. Divyat, good morning. Happy to have you here. Even I am so happy that all of you are here. You changed my mindset. Good. See, first of all, this is what I want to say to all of you. Changing the mindset shift is so important. That's important, right? Because when you realize that I am able to change my mindset, automatically, whether it is money, whether it is any other opportunity, whether you're looking forward to get anything new in your life, all these things automatically come for you. All the opportunities will come for you. Dipankar says, yesterday I did all the tasks and tagged you in my story. Brilliant. Thought process, good. Good morning to all of you. How to handle small businesses around public speaking and social media, right? We will talk about that also. Sir, uploaded the positive saying in my stories for the first time and it felt really amazing. Good. Somebody saying my mother demotivated me. Well, probably she's not aware about things, right? She's not aware about how things work. तो जिस चीज के बारे में उनको पता ही नहीं है वो कैसे रिजल्ट ला सकते हैं. Somebody has asked me a question, how public speaking can help me in my corporate job. I believe you were not present there yesterday. Otherwise, you would not have asked us this question. When you talk about public speaking in your corporate job, you are able to deliver more effective presentations, lead your team, motivate your team, inspire your team, push your team to work hard. If you want to get into the managerial positions, even then you need to become a good speaker. If you're looking forward to present whatever information you have to your seniors or to people in different organizations, you need to become a good speaker to get the hike in your company, to switch over to a different company, to present your content on the internet, to work with people in India and outside India. You need to be a very good speaker. And all those components of being a good speaker and presenting yourself online were being told and presented to you yesterday. And that's how you would be able to make it big and get results for you, right? Very important. मेरी माता जी कल मेरे सेशन की वजह से टीवी सीरियल नहीं देख पाए. That is so amazing. That is so important. The best thing is I can relate with you well. And see, that's I'm so happy to hear that. By the way, Tanvita, I don't know whether whether you are aware about it or not. I also shared your video, and it's there on my Facebook group, on my Facebook page, personal profile. Yes, it's on my Facebook personal profile. You can see the feedback that you had given. Okay. And people, the one more thing that I want to say to all of you is, please understand, it's very important that the most appropriate guidance is given to you and then you also implement it. जब तक वो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं होता है, जब तक वो अपने आप इम्प्लीमेंटेशन को हम एफर्ट्स नहीं डालते हैं, उसको रिजल्ट्स के तौर पे लोगों के सामने नहीं लेके जाते हैं, कभी भी हमें रिजल्ट्स उस तरीके के नहीं आते. This is what I want to say to everybody. Yesterday's course changed my ask, vibe, and confidence. Very good. How long it takes to become like you? See, first of all, you don't have to compete with me. You only have to compete with your own self. You only have to compete so that you can get more results and opportunities for yourself. Do you get that? Can I make a video and upload in the Facebook group on each and every topic which you suggested yesterday? Please do it and you will love it. And that is what is very important. तो आपको ये चीज समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपका कंपटीशन आपके खुद के साथ, आपका कंपटीशन आप अपने खुद के लिए बनाओगे. And that is what is the most important thing. How was the HK tutorials? It was good. I'm so happy that you were there. Yesterday I missed some 2 years. Don't worry. I told you, Ankit, I replied to your email, right? आपको वो opportunity मिल जाएगी. I recorded 3 podcasts from yesterday. Good. So everybody, listen to this very carefully. You would be given the replay on the 20th of November. 20th of November को आपको replay भी मिल जाएगा. जो बाकी की चीजें हैं वो भी आपको सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी. So that you would be able to learn from it and make it absolutely amazing for you. Because सारी चीजें जब आपको reminders में आ जाएगा आप कर लोगे. इतनी energy क्या reason का क्या है sir? Because I love working. Because I love hustling. Because I love putting in the efforts. Because I genuinely feel that if we are not putting our 100% into anything and everything that we do, then we should not do it at all. Do you agree with that? Till the time you do not give your 100% to a work, there is no point doing it. And this is what is important. हाँ, आपको full recorded videos मिलेंगे, बस हम उसको अलग अलग पार्ट्स में कट कर देंगे so that वो आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा easy हो जाए. Got it? वो करके देंगे हम आपको. Yesterday's session changed my mindset. Thank you so much, sir. Good. And today, if you say yesterday's session changed your mindset, today it's going to be at the next level altogether. आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा मजा आने वाला है. And you would realize कि ये कितना ज्यादा essential है. And आप उसके through कितनी ज्यादा और opportunities अपने लिए create कर पाएंगे. Okay. So now, ladies and gentlemen, day 2, session 1 of the 2 days workshop is now in front of you. Before we start, I have a task for each one of you. Just like we had a task today, we had a task yesterday. We also have a task for you today. Got it? Yes. Take out your phone. Take out your phone. And make this video. Sir, आपके jolly nature ने कल 4 चांद लगा दिए थे. Right. Thank you for telling us that how we can change our ask. And once we change our ask, things would change. Okay. So this is what we have to say today in this first session, the positive affirmation that we have to give to us. Okay. Let's start. Hey, so day 2, session 1 of the 2 days workshop. And again, we are going to start with a positive affirmation. And that is, I am born to win and shine. I am committed to attract abundance in my life. Abundance for health, abundance for money, abundance for empowering lives, abundance in almost everything that I do is what I want to get in my life. I am ready to give my 100%. Are you? Day 2, session 1. Everyone, make this story for you. Upload it right now. All of you. All right, it's in front of you. Everybody, do it very quickly. Good morning. Are we done? Are we done? Come on, everyone. I am born to win and shine. I am committed to attract abundance in my life. Guru Datta says, I recorded my voice about yesterday's session and uploaded on social media and people loved it. That is what I'm saying to you. people will definitely love it. Once you start taking that initiative, once you start doing something different than what you have not done till now, people will absolutely and always love it. And that's the best part about it. कि आपको कोई ऐसी चीज करनी है जो आप अभी तक नहीं कर रहे थे. You need to get out of your comfort zone. The sooner you get out of your comfort zone, the more successful you're going to become. More opportunities are going to come your way. More results are going to come your way. Everybody agrees with that? That is the case. आप जितना ज्यादा अलग काम करोगे, अपने जो आपने एक अपना confined zone बना के रखा हुआ है, get out of that zone is what's going to happen for you. Rajshri says, same happened with me also. Awesome. And it is going to happen with everybody. And the reason why that's going to happen with everybody is because other people will not be doing it. Somebody says, I thought of negative comments, but everybody is appreciating me. Thank you so much for my opportunity. See, this is the feedback that we have got. Read this. I thought about negative comments, but everyone is appreciating me. Thank you so much. The other person says, my friends are asking me, itna confidence kahan se aaya? My reel video got 4,000 views in a day. So this is the power of taking an initiative. This is what happens when you start doing things rather than just thinking, rather than putting that limiting belief upon your mind. Should I do it? Should I not do it? When you actually start executing it and when you actually start doing the work, then you will get results and then you get more opportunities. I definitely agree with you. This is what a person says. It is the power of the right community and a positive community. And the day we work upon it, we result opportunities for us and we get results for us. So यदि English नहीं आती तो it does not matter. You can speak in your native language. आप इसी लाइन को हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हो. The only thing that is important over here is that you need to start and you need to take action. Got it? I loved, got new 800 likes from all unknown people. Wow. Converted 2 clients for financial planning. Yogesh says brilliant. Awesome. We are going to get the full recorded session. No, everything you will get, just that it will be in parts. Okay? Yeah. Let's go ahead. Come on. First thing, the mindset shift is a must. The day you change your mindset is when you would realize that everything changes. Everything around you changes. थोड़ी सी आपसे बात करते हैं अभी आगे चलने से पहले. Entrepreneurial journey तो हम लोगों ने 2012 में शुरू करी थी. 9th of July 2012 was when I registered my first private limited company. I was a good speaker back then also. Probably I also had a positive mindset. Maybe not as much as I have today, because with results, you get more positivity and more confidence. And with knowledge, your confidence level automatically increases. Then why was it that we were not getting those results? Why was it that we were not making money? Why was it that we were not being treated the way we wanted to be treated? You know why? Because my mind was not ready to accept abundance. My mind was not ready to attract abundance for me. Do you understand that? Somebody has written the right thing, because the mindset was too small. Because the mindset was not thinking on those lines of achieving more, of getting to the next level, of creating new opportunities and new results for me. And that's the reason why such things never happen. So the mindset shift is a must. That is the first and the foremost thing. The day I started taking my content online, the day I started providing more opportunities to people, I started getting more. You know what you need to understand? I'll also talk about it as to why is it that we are poor? Why is it that we are in the middle class? There's a particular reason behind it. It's not because we were born in that kind of a family. There is something more. Abundance means बहुत ज़्यादा quantity में. In a very large quantity is what is the meaning of abundance. अगर आपको अपनी health चाहिए, बहुत अच्छी चाहिए. If you want to earn money, बहुत ज़्यादा. If you want to empower people, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से. If you want a relationship, there should be abundance of love and trust and respect in your relationship. And that's exactly what we got to do. And that is what gets us even more chances and opportunities for us. Do you understand? This is what I say to all of you. बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि आप अपनी लाइफ में abundance attract करो. And the day you realize that, okay, now I will get abundance, my life changes. Let me ask you this question. Is there a scarcity of opportunities or money on this planet? क्या इस दुनिया में opportunities के लिए या पैसों की कोई कमी है? Everybody here has written no. Then let me ask you this. If you are not where you should be financially, why is that the case? Why are you not achieving what you genuinely want? Why are you not achieving what you genuinely desire and deserve? Maybe you don't deserve it yet. Maybe you have not put in those efforts. It's because of lack of that mindset and not getting the right guidance for you. जब तक कि आपके पास वो वाली राइट गाइडेंस नहीं आती है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपके पास नहीं क्रिएट होती हैं, चांसेस आपके पास नहीं आते हैं. And that's exactly what we need to realize, and therefore we would be able to get even more chances for us. Right? Good. This is what Astha says. I realize that I am able to do so much more for results to come my way. By the way, let me ask you this question, okay? बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. आपको क्या लगता है right now because of COVID-19, do you think that the market is a little bit tough? Maybe it has become tough, right? Maybe earning money has become a little bit difficult. What do you think on those lines? क्या market थोड़ा सा tough हुआ है? Let me know. So many people say yes, some people say no. So many people online के लिए नहीं है. Well, let me show you something, and that will tell you. Somebody says very tough. It's a wrong thought process. Read this. Read this. These are the numbers in front of you. Amazon, Flipkart, the sales, they were more than what they have ever sold. iPhone has been sold maximum than in any other sale that Amazon has ever done in India. The cars of companies have broken records. Somebody has written 1.5 crore rupees का smartphone sell हुआ है per minute. So people were buying smartphones worth rupees 1.5 crores per minute. That means that in every hour, almost 100 crores worth of smartphones were being sold. Companies that were, and you know what? And you know what you need to understand right now? The sale of petrol, diesel has now reached the same level as it was before the lockdown happened. The sale of two-wheelers and four-wheelers has increased even more. So this is what you need to understand. It's all your mindset. Your mind says to you, and some negative people around you say to you that the market has become tough. The market will always be good for people who are learning. The market will always be good for people who are upgrading themselves. The market will always be good for people who have created a follower base, for people who have created those things for themselves. And this is what you exactly need to understand. People are hungry right now. People have been hungry since February, since the time we went into lockdown. People want new opportunities. People have understood that we need to get more things in our life. We should not be dependent upon just one source of income. We should not be dependent upon just one mode of education. They want to do more. They want to learn more. Very true, Ashwajit. This is what Ashwajit says. People with limited skills will always say that the market is tough. And that is exactly what we need to change. The day we are able to get that shift change in our mind, everything changes for us. Every opportunity changes for us. Let me ask you this. Yesterday, within 15 seconds, I asked each and everybody, I changed your mindset. When you told me, sir, why will anybody pay 1.5 lakh rupees to us? I convinced you that within 15 seconds, you will be doing that. Forget about others. You would have never thought that I would do it, right? So that is what is important. The mindset needs to change. And the day the mindset changes, everything changes. Everything around you changes. We need to realize that there is so much available on this planet. All that is required is that we need to create ourselves. We need to make ourselves. We need to redevelop ourselves. We need to repurpose ourselves. We need to understand that we need to get in front of people. Somebody says, personal brand bana ke rahenge. Good. But what do you do after you have created a personal brand? You need to learn how to sell. You need to learn how to present yourself in front of people. You need to look out for opportunities everywhere. I saw this photo on Facebook yesterday, and I thought that I should share it with you. And you know what happens with a personal brand? Many a times you are not even aware about the kind of things that are happening for you. I say this to you right now. Even we are not aware that such kind of things can happen for us. I am not aware that so many people share my videos, share my content. It just automatically happens. And you know why those things happen? The reason why those things happen is because you have created content. Your content is now being viewed by a lot of people. And therefore, you would see that there is so much more that is going to come your way. I want to share with you something. I want to show you something right now. Okay? Give me a second. The strangest secret. The secret is to do and to put in the efforts, and you would then realize that then everything will automatically start coming for you, and automatically more opportunities will start creating for you. But that is what is important, is you get results for you. Somebody says that if so many people can buy an iPhone, then they can surely buy our products. I definitely agree with it. I definitely agree with that for sure. Now, let me just show you my screen. Can you see my screen right now, everybody? Can you see my screen now? Yes. See, this is my video. Joe Stock people had shared my video. I didn't even know it. आप देखो back to back. This is my first video. This is my second video that Joe Stock people have shared. I didn't even know it. And you know how did I get to know about it? Because today I saw it on the profile of one of my friends. One of my friends had shared this video, and this particular video had already got more than 1,60,000 views. 1,60,000 views इस वाले वीडियो के already हो चुके थे. I didn't even know it. And this person had shared my video. I saw it in the morning. So that is what happens. You have created a personal brand. You see, this person has shared my video, and look at the number of views. 1,59,000 views have already happened. I had no idea. And this is such a powerful
अभी तक हमने सॉफ्टवेयर बना के सेल कर करके जो भी रेवेन्यू आता था, भाई को भी लेकर आ गया मेरे बिजनेस में, तो उसकी वजह से जो पेरेंटल प्रेशर था वो और ज्यादा बढ़ गया.
Got it? You have no idea what life has in store for you, provided you produce so much of content in front of you so that you would get results and opportunities out of nowhere. I was not aware. Now, do you realize that both the videos combined together might get 1 million views in the next 10 days? तो अगर 10 लाख व्यूज आते हैं तो अपने आप ही कितने रिजल्ट्स बढ़ जाते हैं, अपने आप ही मुझे कितने लोग पहचानने लग जाते हैं. Does that help you me for creating a personal brand? This is what you need to realize. How you made it to MTV? Because I realized I need to give the auditions. See, I believe in something and then I make it happen. I realized, Rahul, you need to become fitter. You need to go over there. You need to create that awareness. And I went there, got selected for MTV. The same thing happens over here. I told you yesterday that we will come up with a web series. I was not kidding over there. We will come up with a web series. We will create amazing content pertaining to that web series. We will ensure that things would happen. Because you know what? We are ready to attract abundance in our life. And that is what is important. You create those things and you get results for you. Joe Stocks pe kaise gaye? They approached Saurabh, then Saurabh recommended me. And even I had no idea that 3 of my Joe Stocks will do 1 million views. But they did, right? And that's exactly what you need to understand. And that is what is absolutely amazing. Somebody says, sir, agar selling karni ho, sirf video content, dono karna hai, selling bhi karna hai. Why do you put a limiting belief? Why do you limit your own self? As to I will not do it. I won't be able to get that sales. That is something that you need to change. The next thing is, this is the problem. Our ask is way too less. We ask for less and therefore we get less. You need to change your ask and you need to increase your ask. When you increase your ask, what's going to happen? You will reach out to the same kind of people who would realize that this is the thing that will get me ahead. Got it? आपके लिए ये वाली चीज समझना बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप अपना आस्क बदलो. Because see, buyers are available for everything. People are ready to spend for everything. People are ready to create more opportunities for them. And that's what is important. Somebody's asked me, please guide us how we can get an opportunity to speak at Joe Stocks. Increase your brand, increase your awareness, and they will approach you. Ask means जो भी आप लोगों को बोल रहे हो करने के लिए. अगर आप लोगों को प्रोडक्ट लेने को बोल रहे हो, सर्विस लेने को बोल रहे हो, आपको प्रमोशन करने को बोल रहे हो, when a person asks you, how much do you think we should pay you if you work in our company? Ask them to at least double the amount that you're getting and then justify how you would be able to get those results for them. But if you're asking for a 10% hike, you will get a 10% hike only. How many of you think on those lines, this much, I got this much, these many results for me. I got this much of revenue for me. Next month, I want to get 40% more, then 40% more. I want to double my income. I want to double my revenue. We don't think on those lines, right? We are like, थोड़ा सा promotion मिल जाए, दिमाग में क्या है, हर साल में 10% promotion मिल जाएगा, and इसी वजह से हम results नहीं ला पाते. One more reason why you don't get such results for you is, understand this. We are not being surrounded by people who push us. Do you agree? Being surrounded by people who push you to do more, achieve more, become more is a luxury. Because not very few people possess it. And it is because of those people that they don't possess it. You know why? Because those people don't take those actions. And that is what is important. That is the essential part. Somebody says, when I ask people 30,000, then they say that they can arrange 10 to 15,000. अगर मैं बोलता हूं 1,000, then they will not even pay 100 rupees. What do you want? You want 30,000? Ask for 50,000 then. Ask for 50,000 then. If you feel that you have people in your community who will do a bargain for you, let it be so. You need to change your ask. All that you got to do is please ensure that the value that you are going to give to them in any product, any service, any course, anything should be 10 times more than what you are charging them. That is what is important, right? And that's exactly what you need to realize. One thing that you need to understand is the 100% faith in your product is a must. जब तक 100% faith नहीं होगा, आप कभी भी selling नहीं कर पाओगे. Have you seen how I sell? Unapologetically, hardcore, डांट के भी. You know why? Because I have got 100% faith in my product and my service. And I can vouch for it. You will not find even a single person who will say that they did not get value for money for our products, our services. People would definitely say, यार राहुल बहुत मेल करता है यार, बहुत मैसेज करता है यार, बार बार बोलता रहता है यार, परेशान हो गया. But nobody would say that they don't get value compared to the amount that they invested. And this is exactly what you need to understand. And why should I not do that? If you have an emailing list, what is that emailing list meant for? Getting to the people, getting connected to people, right? And this is what Pragya says, because you genuinely care and want to help people. Of course, अगर आप सोचो, अगर एक बंदा अभी यहाँ पे नहीं होता, supposedly if you would not have been here, right? Let me ask you this. If you would not have been here right now, तो क्या आप जो अपने 1997 यहाँ पे आने के लिए इन्वेस्ट करा है, आप उस पैसों को कहीं और खर्च कर देते या नहीं कर देते? टेल. 100%, right? You would have spent that money on something or the other thing somewhere else. चश्मा ले लेते, खाना खा लेते, घूमने फिरने चले जाते, पटाखे ले लेते. We would have wasted it. But right now you are multiplying it because you are learning, because you are growing. And that is what is essential. And that is what takes you ahead. And when you say to me that Rahul sir, no, we don't do it. 100 crores worth of smartphones were being bought every month. When people say that the country is going through recession, when people say that people don't have money right now, when people say that COVID-19 has made us broke, 100 crores worth of smartphones were being sold. Now you tell me, people who were buying smartphones, do you agree that 90% of them already have one smartphone for them? Yes or no? 90% लोगों के पास ऑलरेडी एक स्मार्टफोन होगा, और उनके सामने एक स्मार्टफोन आया, कुछ नए फीचर्स आए, उनको लगता है अबे यार ये तो लेना ही लेना चाहिए यार. दिमाग अपग्रेड हो या ना हो, फोन तो अपग्रेड होना ही चाहिए. मेरी बॉडी अपग्रेड हो या ना हो, फोन तो अपग्रेड होना ही चाहिए. And that is the reason why people are lagging behind, and that is the reason why they are not earning more and they don't want to get results for them. They want to get results for them, but they are not ready to take the action. And that's exactly what you need to understand. And that is how you change your mindset and you get results for yourself. I wanted to buy a sari, but invest on public speaking and professional workshop. And you see the kind of feedback that you got yesterday. How many people complimented you yesterday, Ekta? And you know what people complimented you for? Your work ethics, your delivery, your content. They did not compliment you for your looks. They complimented you for your work. And that is what matters. You got to be known for your work ethics. I told you, right? You got to change your mindset. Not having a giver's mindset is what stops us from achieving. Is what stops us from achieving more. Do you agree? आप सोचो आपको जिंदगी भर क्या सिखाया है घर वालों ने? You feel bad about it? I don't care. Because the same things were taught to us also. क्या सिखाया? यहाँ से भी वो चीज ले लो, उधर से भी ये ले लो, जहां से भी कुछ ग्रास्प कर सकते हैं कर लो, इधर से जाके ये इन्फॉर्मेशन ले लो, इधर से जाके ये ले लो, ऑफिस में थोड़ा सा ज्यादा लेने का प्रयास करो, थोड़ा ज्यादा प्रमोशन लेने का प्रयास करो, एक ऐसी कंपनी में चले जाओ जो आपको थोड़े से ज्यादा पैसे दे दे, सब कुछ. Were we ever told that you need to add value, that you need to focus on more results, that you need to focus on giving more in the environment? We were never taught on those things. We were never told about that. A person who is poor or middle class is there for a reason. You know why? Because they are consuming more than what they are giving. The day you start giving more, it will automatically come to you. The results will automatically come for you. The opportunities will automatically come for you. And that's exactly what you need to understand. ये चीज जब तक आप लोग नहीं समझोगे, आपके पास वो रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. You need to be a giver. You talk about all the people who are rich, they give. Geo gives. Reliance gives, Amazon gives. They are giving something to you, and that's the reason why they are rich. People who are only taking will always be poor. समझो, आप अपनी कंपनी को क्या ज्यादा दे रहे हो या कंपनी से ज्यादा ले रहे हो? आप जब अपने ऑफिस में जाते हो, व्हाट इज योर माइंडसेट? अरे यार नहीं यार, आज फिर ऑफिस जाना पड़ेगा, दोबारा से मंडे आ गया. इज दैट अ गिवर्स माइंडसेट? नो, दैट्स नॉट अ गिवर्स माइंडसेट, एंड दैट्स द रीजन व्हाई वी आर लैगिंग बिहाइंड. Do you agree with that, everybody? Does that hit you hard? You need to understand that. Stop cribbing about the fact that there are so many rich people. Stop cribbing about the fact that you don't have those results for you. You need to understand why is it that it is not for you. The day you realize that, you will get results automatically to come to you. We are poor or middle class for a reason, and the reason is that we don't give us more. And that is exactly what we need to get results for them. That is what you need to realize. Somebody has written, companies pay us 10,000 when we do work worth 80,000. That's a wrong mindset. The company is giving you an opportunity to work over there, to learn from there. You are only focusing on the money. You are not focusing on the opportunity, the networking opportunity, the learning. Based upon that learning, outside, you can charge lakhs of rupees if you are making the most out of that learning. समझ में आया? You need to change your ask. And one more thing that you need to understand is, if you are getting 10,000 rupees when you are generating a business worth 80,000 rupees, that is because you don't realize that there are so many expenses that a company needs to incur. And you know what? That company took the initiative to take a risk. And that is why that company or that particular owner deserves more. Because tomorrow, if that company is not earning money, people will shift. People will go to a different company. But that owner is going to be there. समझ में आई आपको ये चीज? आप लोगों को एक बात पता है, जो आप लोग ये वाली चीजें सोचते हो, my running cost every month is 8 lakh rupees. My running cost every month is 8 lakh rupees, irrespective of whether I sell anything or I don't sell anything. 1 crore is my running expense every year. Now you tell me, if that's the case, should we deserve more? Of course we do. You know why? Because we have gotten and we have taken that expense and we are ready to put in those efforts and we are ready to face that burden. That is what you need to understand. अगर मैं ये सोचने लग जाऊंगा ना कि बॉस 8 लाख रुपए हर महीने कहां से लेकर आऊंगा, मैं कभी भी कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता. What I need to do is I need to be involved in the work. You know what I need to do? I need to do that abundance mindset. And of course, we made those sacrifices. If you are ready to work for free for 2 years, for 3 years, for 4 years, for 5 years, then you will deserve to get lakhs of rupees. But are you ready to do that? No. You give more and you get more. It's as simple as that. And right now, you also have the right guidance to get results for you. The next thing is this. This is what I told to you yesterday also. You got to be amongst the money to make the money. Let me be very honest with you. All of you. If you are earning 10,000, 15,000 rupees per month, you are surrounded by only those people who earn 10,000, 15,000 a month and their mindset is the same. No offenses. No offenses. If you are happy with that much amount of money, amazing. Mind blowing. But if you crib and you complain, then you got to change it. समझ में आया? अगर आप उससे खुश नहीं हो, तब आपको बदलना पड़ेगा. If you are happy with it, good. But you need to change. बिकॉज जब तक आप उन लोगों से सराउंडेड रहोगे जो ऑफिस के बारे में क्रिप कर रहे हैं, जो कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, जो बॉस के बारे में, खाने के बारे में, ट्रैवल के बारे में, बाकी सारी चीजों के बारे में, ये चीज आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि ऐसे लोग आपकी लाइफ में कभी भी कोई ग्रोथ नहीं लेकर आएंगे. यू गॉट टू बी अमंग्स्ट दोज पीपल हु नीड टू टेक एक्शंस. If good people are not available physically, what to do? Exactly what you are doing right now, Mohit, by being a part of a session like this, so that you can grow. Right now, internet has opened all the doors for you. You got to receive, man. Get into the reception mode. मैं आपको एक बहुत बड़ी सच्चाई बताऊं, बहुत सारे लोग तो दिमाग बंद करके रखते हैं. घर वालों ने बोला है नहीं, बाहर वालों से बात नहीं करनी है, नहीं कोई नई अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में नहीं सोचना है, नहीं पैसे बस बैंक अकाउंट में रखने हैं, जहां पे आज आपको 3.5% इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. सुन लिया होगा शायद आपने न्यूज. द इंटरेस्ट दैट यू वुड बी गेटिंग ऑन योर मनी इज 3.5%. मेरे 1 लाख रुपए पे मुझे 3,500 रुपए मिलेंगे एक महीने में, एक साल में. यू आर एक्चुअली लूजिंग मनी. Bank interest now is 2.7% in savings account. Many congratulations to you. You need to change. You need to invest upon your own self. You need to realize that. Okay. Let's do an activity right now. All of you, take out a note from your pocket. Take out a note from your pocket. Keep it in front of you right now. 10 रुपए, 50 रुपए, 200 रुपए, 500 रुपए, 2000 रुपए, whichever note, keep it in front of you right now. And we will see throughout the course of this day whether this note grows, whether this note has babies, whether you get more people, whether you create more notes. Let me see कि आप वो पैसे रख रहे हो, आज का दिन खत्म होने तक वो पैसा कितना ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. I want to see that. Okay, how much has it grown? Because that is what we do, right? When we keep it in the bank account, keep it in front of you. Let me see कितना बढ़ेगा वो आपका पैसा. Please do it, everybody. Okay, write it there. रख दिया सबने? Have you put it there? Have you put the note right next to you? Tell me. Right? I will talk about it later. So now did we understand, why this was important? I teach you personal branding. I teach you public speaking. I teach you how do you get results. But till the time your mindset does not change, you will not receive it. Get into the receptive mode. Get into the learning mode. आपको पता है मैं क्या करता हूँ? कहीं पे भी कोई भी आइडिया मुझे दिखता है ना, I write it in my diary. I send a voice note. I send a voice note to my own self. I've got one more number on WhatsApp. So Rahul Bhatnagar messages Rahul Bhatnagar whenever he sees something important. And this is exactly what I do so that I don't miss out on anything. I don't miss out on information. That is why I see something important. I learn from it. I implement it for me. I get those results done for me. And that's exactly what you got to do. So we were thinking, हम क्या क्या activities करा सकते हैं, क्या क्या चीजें करनी है. You need to write it down so that idea should not be missed, because our mind cannot receive and keep everything in store. And that's why it is very important. Got it? आपने phone नहीं change करा, नहीं मुझे मेरा phone नहीं change करना है. This phone is enough for me. And the reason why I went for this phone is because I make very good quality videos with this. That's the only reason. I would upgrade my own self, but I would not like to upgrade this phone till the time this serves the purpose for me. Got it? That is what you need to understand. And that is what exactly will happen for you. Somebody says, if you won't have save money, then what will happen in the emergency time? Very good. Let me tell you. Why? आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहली चीज जो आपको करना है, get a health insurance done. Get the health insurance done. Get a life insurance done. इसके अलावा आपके पास और कौन सी इमरजेंसी आ सकती है, आप मुझे बताइए. करो, भगवान ना करे कल की डेट में कुछ हो जाएगा, करा लो, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस करा लो, टर्म इंश्योरेंस करा लो. एंड वो भी ऐसा कि अगर आपको कुछ हो जाए तब, उस चीज के लिए. And when I'm telling you, you need to invest your money on things wherein it will grow. Wherein it will grow. Do you understand? And that is what is important and that is what is essential. When it is said, और एक चीज और है बस, एक चीज और है जो मैं आपसे बिल्कुल एक दिल से पूछना चाहता हूं. ध्यान से सुनो. How many of us actually have so much money with us कि कोई इमरजेंसी आ जाए तो हम उस इमरजेंसी का ध्यान रख सकें? आपके बैंक अकाउंट में है 1 करोड़ रुपए कि कोई ऐसी बीमारी हो जाए जिसके इलाज के लिए 1 करोड़ रुपए लगते हो? हैं? मैं भी यही पूछने वाला था, राइट? हैं? If that's not true, then get to work. If you have 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 in your bank account, उससे कोई इमरजेंसी नहीं सॉल्व होने वाली है. Got it? Understand that. The sooner you get it, the better it is going to be for you. Yes, you need to take good exercise for you, for your health. You need to find out ways to get results. I guarantee you. मैं आपको ये चीज गारंटी के संग बोल सकता हूं. You implement each and everything that I tell you. अगले 3 साल तक गर्दन झुका के एफर्ट डाल के काम करो. आपके पास वो प्लान 100% होगा that you would be able to earn rupees 1 crore. 110%. And that is so very important. And I'm not giving you a fake faith over here. I'm telling you what actually works and what has worked for us for so many people. And that is exactly what you need to realize. And then you get results for yourself. Somebody says, why do you work for free when we need money? You work for free so that in the future you will never have to work for money. Listen to me very carefully. You work for free so that in the future you will never have to work for money. You create so much knowledge, awareness, visibility for yourself that money just comes for you. That is what you need to understand. समझ में आया आपको? वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Got it? Something changed? कुछ माइंड बदल, रिजल्ट समझ में आया कि हम क्या क्या चीज अपने लिए अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. Unfortunately, a lot of people who say that we need to save for the rainy days don't have enough with them to save for the rainy days. That's the reality. और changes needed, don't worry. समझा देंगे हम आपको वो भी. Got it? Somebody says my father loves to invest in properties instead of our online business. मेरे भाई, online में properties भी तो sell करी जा सकती हैं. ऑनलाइन बिजनेस का मतलब क्या होता है? ऑनलाइन बिजनेस का मतलब कोचिंग नहीं होता. ऑनलाइन बिजनेस डज नॉट मीन कोचिंग. ऑनलाइन बिजनेस मीन्स एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू. सेलिंग दिस ऑनलाइन इज अ बिजनेस. Selling this online is business, is an online business. Selling this online is a business. Selling real estate online is a business. ये मत सोचो कि सिर्फ कोचिंग ही एक तरीका होता है रेवेन्यू कमाने का. तब तो आप कभी भी रिजल्ट्स नहीं ला पाओगे. समझ में आया? ऑनलाइन बिजनेस क्या होता है? आज तक जो भी काम आप फिजिकली कर रहे थे, अब आप उसको ऑनलाइन लेके जाओगे सो दैट आप अपनी रीच बढ़ा लोगे, सो दैट आप अपनी ग्रोथ बढ़ा लोगे. डोंट लिसन टू पीपल हु से टू यू लीव योर 9 to 5 जॉब. You need money to take care of yourself, right? And at the same time, do something as a side hustle so that you get money. You put that money into your work, grow your side hustle, and once your side hustle grows and gets you the same amount of money as your regular income for a regular period, that is what is important, and that's exactly what we need to do. Got it? Very important. I want to know how you change your mindset. I don't even know how that happened, brother. For me, it happened because I started doing the work and then I realized, यार, this is so powerful. मैं आपको एक चीज और बताता हूँ. एक जो चीज मेरे दिमाग में आया था ना कि पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग क्यों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. We were in US. We were attending the Grant Cardone event, okay? Grant Cardone वाले event में he jumped from the roof, from the top of the roof, from a helicopter. And then you know what he did on the second day? He told people that this is the jacket that I was wearing. Okay? और ये जैकेट पहन के मैं कूदा था. अकेली ये जैकेट है इस दुनिया में, सिर्फ वन पीस. Who wants this jacket for $10,000? इस जैकेट को $10,000 में, यानी कि 7.5 लाख रुपए में किसको चाहिए? जो भाग के सबसे पहले स्टेज पे आ जाएगा, उस बंदे को ये मिल जाएगी. And people were running from every direction. And the person who went there said कि आप ये चैरिटी के लिए कर रहे हो, I will give you $20,000. And then when I realized, man, personal branding is mind blowing. It can get so many results and opportunities for you. समझ में आया? This is what happens. Good. I felt for a minute like God is talking to me. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. So, understand. अगर कोई बंदा 9 से 5 के नौकरी का मजाक बनाता हुआ दिखे, उस बंदे से कभी मत सीखो. समझ में आया आपको? कभी भी. If you don't value what you have, you will never get what you want in the future. Appreciate what you have. Appreciate what you have today, right now. And the day you realize this, you would realize that now my life is changed for good. Got it? Very important. 9 to 9 जॉब में साइड हसल कैसे करें? सैटरडे को करो, संडे को करो, रात को करो, 6 घंटा सो के करो, ऑफिस जाते हुए करो, ऑफिस से आते हुए करो. 9 से 9 की नौकरी में जो पैसे मिलते हैं आपको, उस पैसे से लोगों को, स्टूडेंट्स को हायर करके अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करो. 50 तरीके का बिजनेस बढ़ाने की. You will get students who want an opportunity, who would want to work for rupees 2,000 plus an incentive for every sale. Work with them. Hire 10 of them. Got it? Everything is important. Everything can be done. 9 to 9 छोड़ो, अगर आप रोज 9 to 11 की भी जॉब करते हो ना, तो भी आपके पास टाइम है आपका बिजनेस करने के लिए. It's just that you need to get rid of those excuses that you are giving to your own mind that I don't have time. Got it?